Jetzt fahren wir einfach mal da quer durch. Mal schauen, wo wir rauskommen. Oder auch nicht. Ich glaube, das war nicht die beste Idee. Können wir da hinten rauf? Wahrscheinlich nicht. Drehen wir lieber um, bleiben wir auf der Straße und fahren da hinten irgendwie rundum. Oder vielleicht da um. So, aber jetzt sind wir auf der richtigen Spur. Und jetzt fahren wir mal zu der True. Der hat nämlich da seine Farm. Halt das. Jetzt. So wie jetzt. Mal aussteigen.
Peace. I've got everything you need, lone traveler. It's in the mothership. Back there.
Thanks, man. Look, here go your paper.
Ah, the karmic circle closes. All is as it should be. Back to the egg.
Damn, man, there must be 2 tons of that stuff back there.
3 Rama. What the fuck's that noise?
Hey, that sound like a chopper.
Oh, man. Narcs, you fucking rat.
Dude, don't put that on me. You the one deal with Tenpenny. What's all this?
Calm, brother. Panic paves the way to bad karma.
Man.
We gotta torch those fields. I only hope Kaya can forgive us.
Gut, also wir müssen jetzt da das ganze Marihuana verbrennen. Wir gehen am besten da hinten. Und zwar bevor die Zeit abgelaufen ist. Ansonsten dürfen wir das wieder von vorn spielen. So, das machen wir am besten so. Gut, das ist weg. Muss ich das alles allein machen oder hilft mir der andere? Weil ich sehe gerade nicht, dass der irgendwas tut da drüben. Gut. Muni haben wir vielleicht nur. Money für einen Flammenwerfer, also wird langer. Hoffe ich zumindest.
Assholes! Right-wing assholes!
I don't feel too good.
It's a crying shame, ain't it?
No, I mean, I think I'm gonna black out.
Fight the ocean and you will drown, brother. Carl, man, we'll take the mothership and get our shit out of here.
Go get her fired up. I'll finish burning and I'll follow you.
Ja, brennen wir das noch nieder. Weil der gar nicht vorwärts kommt da. Jetzt wenn wir da durchrennen, dann brennen wir selber. Befürchte ich. So, 3 Minuten haben wir noch. Aber das schaffen wir locker. Außer es geht uns der Ding aus, der Brenner. So, also, hat doch noch gelangt. Ganz knapp.
We got a chopper on our tail. We'll never shake them now.
Hold on. I got a little something back here I was saving for a rainy day.
Holy motherfucker. Where'd you get that?
Found it in a bale of tie sticks. Shame, really. I was gonna make it into a lamp.
Schieße den Hubschrauber. Wo ist er denn? Raketen Nummer 10, also 10 Versuche. Ach, da ist er. Ja, das ist schon mal daneben gegangen. Und wie soll ich den treffen? Wenn der da davor fährt? So, bingo, weg ist er. Ja, und jetzt machen wir uns auf den Weg nach San Fierro.
You better drive. I haven't driven in 15 years.
You was doing all right?
Yeah, then the fear hit me. Now I'm rolling a number to calm the waves.
Shit, I better call Caesar. Hey, Caesar, no time to talk, man. I'm on my way to San Fierro, okay? I'll meet you and Kendall at that garage I won at the races. Holla at y'all later.
Ja, wir fahren heute nach San Fierro in die Werkstatt.
Jesus, we screwed. When'd you get this?
1967.
How you get around if you don't drive?
I have an astral goat called Herbie. She's faster than most, but getting old.
Yeah, whatever, man. You talking shit.
So, fahren wir in die Richtung. Ich glaube, das ist die richtige.
Hey, this thing go any faster?
Man, we got 3 tons of grass on board. The engine block is held together with a macrame hammock, and it's running on 15-year-old cooking oil.
Shit, can you shoot?
Shoot, I'm a hippie. The only thing I've shot is acid. But I heard about this dude snorting it once. Thought his nose was a kangaroo and the moon was a dog. Woo!
What's with all the aluminum foil, man?
Protection from mind control, dude.
Mind control.
Induction of images, sound or emotion using microwave radiation. Do you know how many government satellites are watching any citizen at any moment?
No.
23. Do you know how many religious relics are kept at the Pentagon?
No, I don't.
23. You see a pattern emerging here, man?
Man, I'm seeing patterns all over the place. Get that smoke out my face.
Gut, da hinten, also rechts war schon mal.
There she is, brother. San Fierro, city of psychedelic wonders.
Man, I can't believe I ain't been here before.
There ain't a better place to escape the man.
Okay, Mr. San Fierro, where's the spot at?
It's in Doherty, on the east side of Fierro, between Garcia and Easter Basin.
So, pass auf, jetzt müssen wir mal rechts abbiegen zur Werkstatt.
A little temple cherries and a cocktail with some Nepalese munga munga.
Put that thing out, man. I can't see.
No out, brother. It's good shit.
Put it out, motherfucker. I'm warning you.
Whoa, chill the fuck out. Firstly, you are a real buzz killer, amigo. And secondly, I never made love to my mother. She wouldn't. And thirdly, we're in this together, so be cool.
Sorry, man. I just don't drive when I'm faded.
Ja, da sind wir. Das ist unsere Werkstatt.
This is the place. Whoa, Jesus, dude. Looks like you've been fed a bummer.
Und da werden wir jetzt längere Zeit verbringen. Und hoffentlich auch die große Kohle machen. Gut, Garage, da können wir natürlich unsere Autos abstellen. Geht die nicht auf? Achso, wir haben bloß eine. Naja, dann schauen wir mal zur ersten Mission.
Motherfucker! That mute asshole, that fucking snake without a tongue, gave me this shithole instead of a pink slip. I must be the biggest fucking idiot in the whole fucking world.
Holmes, take it easy. At least we're alive.
Carl, friend, fellow traveler, relax, man. You're really killing my fucking vibe here.
Well, I'm sorry I'm fucking up your vibe, old man, but I can't wait to get my hands on that mute and your bitch-ass cousin.
My cousin? You're gonna diss my familia?
My bad, man. I'm just pissed for all of us. I mean, look, we in a strange place. We got shit to our name, and for once, I try to make something work this garage, and it ain't even a garage.
Then make it into a garage.
Oh, that's a great idea, sis. Won't you shut up?
You know what, Carl? You are a fucking idiot. Your whole life you wanted something for nothing. Now you've got something and you don't know what to do with it. We'll make it good enough. We'll help, right?
We got your back, CJ.
Come on, stop tripping, man. Both of you.
Whoa, man, the energy here is fantastic. Oh.
Yeah, all right. But how I'ma find some good mechanics to work up in here, man?
I know a few guys. Come with me, friend. They're good people, I swear it.
Oh, man, I'm about to ride with this fool again.
Come on, man. There's these two guys I know. Used to work on marine engines. Till the mob bought their business over in Vice. Now they try and make ends meet by taking any old job. They're a little bit dull by their habit, but the smoke don't get in the way of their skills with an engine. We'll pick up Jethro first. Last I heard, he was working at a garage over in East Basin.
Ja, jetzt machen wir eine kleine Rundfahrt durch San Fierro und sammeln ein paar Leute ein,
Hey, man, how
die
you
dann
meet these
für uns
dudes anyway?
arbeiten.
I met them at the 89 Fierro Love-In, apparently.